What's up, guys? It's Gabe from SNP Speed Innovations, and whew, man, what a good day! Great day. This day brought us back to our roots. This day brought us back to 20 years ago, and we have people that I haven't seen in 15 years, or even 20 years ago. So, man, what a great day! What this is our SNP Speed Innovations Hangout Day. We had a grill going, a 10 by 20 pop-up going. We have people coming in from Kingman and Blythe, Tucson. Um, it was a great day. It was a great day. Met a lot of new people, saw faces I didn't even recognize until like an hour later. Like, oh, that guy, that's awesome. What a great day. So this video we're about to show you right now kind of brings us back to some of that. We used to have barbecues and stuff like that in my house. It was really cool. The car community, all that cool. We were just a little bit competitive within each other, but we had that tribal bond. You know what I mean? So it was way cool. So let's check out some cool videos and some stuff like that. Go. Good. I think the science won. First one has 1, 2, 3.
I don't think that worked.
For science. I think. So we're wrapping this up here. Man, what an awesome day. It was way cool to see how many people showed up, and unfortunately not everybody could show up, and it's like that. And we're gonna have one here real soon, and hopefully have all the old street knowledge guys. Now the street knowledge guys, that's where it all started. My garage was the street knowledge days. We're talking 20 plus years ago. And street knowledge performance, SNP. That's where it all started. My 240SX, man, that car is what brought us all together. Um, that car is what started it. That's what generated the momentum and the magnetism and everything that brought everybody together at the time and even today. We brought it to my shop. We didn't post anything about it. Some people knew, some people didn't. Haven't really posted anything. I think I made a post on one of the S13 chassis, and it was just like not really anonymous, but I never posted on that page. It's like, here's my car. But the truth is my car's been sitting in my garage for 16 years on jack stands. And that car was the king for a long, long time. And watching people, and that's the thing that makes it a little bit emotional to me, is that I watch people today walk up to it and look at it and go, dude, is this your car? I get goosebumps. They get goosebumps. They got to touch it. They got to feel it. It's not a valuable car. It's not. It's just a 240SX Coupe. That car has so much history and connected so many people. And to see how much people just step back and go, oh shit, Gabe's car is here. You know, Victor and Steve, and they were here from Blythe, and I got some aftermarket headlights. So I got the round headlights. So almost looks like an Integra from a distance. I had tucked at the back of my second shop. And Steven comes up to me and goes, dude, I didn't know your car was here. I was just here 4 weeks ago, and I didn't see your car. He goes, Victor came up and said, hey, and these guys are from Blythe, they're brothers. Victor come up and says, hey, did you see that the Integra over there in the back of Gabe's shop? He's like, man, I was just here a few weeks ago. I didn't see no Integra here. So he goes, I'll go check it out. So he goes over and then he looks at it. He goes, that ain't no Integra. Oh shit, that's Gabe's car. Hey Vic, that's Gabe's 240. They're like, no way. And just that, you know what I mean? And everybody that just like, man, I got to touch this car. It's just, we all united, we all bonded, and it was all because of our passion and our passion for cars, imports. Most at that time, it was all imports. We had that connection, we had that bond. We had barbecues like we did today, and we had bonfires. We had gatherings down at the park, and it was just great era. And I'm so honored and proud to be a part of that with everybody that was involved. It was a great time. We're going to do this again. It's going to be Street Knowledge Performance Days, because we're going to have two key people that weren't here today. They'll be here in 2 weeks for that. So we're going to have this. Now, we won't have as many people as we did today. Not everybody can make it in a couple weeks, but what an awesome day. Anyway, I just want to share that story with you guys because, you know, we love the stories. And it's the stories that brings us together, and it brings the depth of the vehicles. So, anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys enjoyed all the cars and stuff. It was a great time meeting up with great people, telling car stories, street racing stories from back in the day. It was just an awesome time. So I hope you guys like this. Please don't forget to do all the stalker stuff. Like, subscribe, ring that bell if you like to. If you don't like notifications, don't ring that bell. But please help grow this channel. If you see something you like or something you want us to do a video on, drop in the comments or send us a DM or something like that. But we're going to try to do more of this. We need to reunite everybody. So expect to see more barbecues like this. Thanks, guys, and have a wonderful day.